Yes, I'm gonna make a quick video on this camper I just bought. This is a 2006 Aliner Explorer. I'm kind of tickled to get this. I've been wanting one for a while. I've been through tents, I've been through pop-ups, I've been through teardrops, and even a micro camper. So I was happy to get this right there. This is a lot more versatile. All right, I'm gonna give you a quick run through on it. I know most y'all know what these are, but I'm gonna quick run through on this one because I'm tickled to get it. All right, first off, we got the tank here. Most of them have that. This one's got a handy little storage compartment on the front of it. Good place to store a lot of your gear and stuff. Right now I got a TV antenna stored in there along with the jacks and stuff. Alright, on the Explorer package deal you got going, some of the things it includes is front jacks like you see there, front support jacks, and then that storage compartment up front. It also includes stuff like 15-inch wheels on here, and on the inside, I'll just show you real quick on the inside some of the other things. On the inside you get a lot bigger refrigerator. This one's got an ice box on top of it, where a lot of them don't do. It's got a smaller one, and a few other things, but that's just the gist of it. Let's work my way around the thing now. We got a little storage compartment on the front. It's probably locked. Yeah, storage compartment on the front that goes up underneath the seat on this side. And then we got the air conditioner, which right now I've got on because it's a little warm day today. It's supposed to be 98, I think. All right, then we got some plugs right here in case you're outside camping. You have a 110 plug there. You got an outside light right there. And here's where you can hook your stove on if you're going to camp outside. And right down yonder is the gas outlet. Right, there's a vent for the battery, which on mine is stored under the back seat there. And then you come on back around back, you got the bumper, and you got a spare tire. And on the spare tire, right back here, we made a little spot. I can stick my pole for my antenna right there and put my antenna up in the back. And come around to the side. This right here is generally where you have your fill your water with a water hose, or you can fill the tank at. But it's also where I didn't do it, the guy I bought it from hooked a connection up here for an antenna, which I've got one tied onto it right now. Then we got the 30 amp plug in right there to get power. They put buddy bearings on it. Now this, like I say, it's a 2006, so I bought it used, and the guy I bought it from did a lot of modifications to it, which I'm happy with it. I bought it from a nice lady over there in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, and she was really nice and helped me out on this thing a lot. And I'm really happy and thankful for her. But all right, I'm just going to show you on the inside of it. There's steps, fold out steps. They'll fold up out of your way, and it says watch your step. Duh. Okay, we come inside. We've got, let's see, we got another storage compartment under the seat here. And that's where we keep our little porta potty. And you got a fire extinguisher right there. This hole here is for vent for the air conditioner. And right across there, like I say, I got a refrigerator, and this is a larger refrigerator for campers. It's got the ice box on the top. A lot of them don't have the ice box part; it's just shorter. All right, let's go ahead and back. In the back, we've got a bench seat that actually folds down and makes a bed. But while it's a bench seat, you can make a little table if you want to. Right here, both sides, it pops up a little table. And this side over here pops up, makes a little table. I guess you can sit back here and have a lunch or relax and watch TV or whatever you want to do back here while you're... Alright, hang on a second, I gotta fix this. While you're watching TV. Like I say, the guy I bought it from did some modifications to it. One of the things he did is he hooked up an antenna connection right there so we can watch TV. Put the TV right there and plug it up. He also put one over here under the table, right under there. It's underneath there somewhere. There it is, way over there. And it's over there. Yeah, there you go. All right. And he also did some modifications on it. He made some add-ons and stuff. So he got some fuses that he put in right there, some fuses. And that's the normal fuse box for the transformer. And it's got fuses inside there. That's the gas detector down there. And he added some cigarette lighter adapters. A lot of the stuff are going to run off 110 off of 12 volts for a cigarette lighter, so you got adapters for that. All right. Then we got a sink, and it's got an electric pump for the water. So you flip this switch up, and then whenever you get water, the little pump comes on. You can get water out of it. I don't have any water in the tank as we speak, but I just want to show you that real quick. And you got a sink that drains outside, so that's cool. All right, that's a stove I've got. That's just a camp stove that I've been using. I like those type stoves there better than I do the actual one that comes in these campers. I don't like the gas line coming in here in case gas leaks. I don't want to be on the side with me. Much rather have the bottle. All right, and then under the front bed here, you got another little storage compartment. On this side, you can store stuff. And on this side, you can store stuff. Underneath there, right there's that portable toilet there. And under the back bed, you have another storage compartment back here. And there's a toaster oven right there. And up on the seat here, on this side of the seat, there's a battery. And on this side, there's a 20-gallon water tank for the sink water. And it's got an electric pump to it. Now you got another spot right here where you can put a microwave in there. And then you got a couple of cabinets here, down here. Then you got storage here and here. And right there is where he put in that fuse box. All right. Let's see, what am I missing? Okay. Windows. They did some update modification to the windows. Everybody likes to modify stuff. So what this guy did is put, I believe you call it reflector, something like that, on the windows, and that right there is supposed to help keep out the heat from coming in the camper. You got it on all the windows. Everything, all the windows got that on there. They kind of keep some of the heat out or the cold air out, however you want to word it. Then we got braces here up top, which they're not much more than painter poles or shower curtain rods, either one. That basically just give you a little more support on the walls if you wanted it, and also give you some place to hang stuff. You can hang clothes up there, wet towels up there, whatever, up there during the day if you needed to. We got a light, like I said, we got a light in the back, and we got a light in the front. So that pretty much takes care of everything, except this right here is a table that I made, okay? The table that comes with it is square, basically, or rectangle, and it's got legs on it that you can pop up during the daytime, make a table out of it, or at night you can let it down, and those cushions will fold down on top of the table, and it'll make another bed, goes all the way across there. It's basically a single bed. But I didn't like that. It's just me and my wife camping. The bed in the back is going to be big enough for us, so I decided to make this table here. Now I saw a guy on YouTube has a van that he camps in, and this is what he used right here. Basically, it's a piece of, he used 1 1/4 inch, but I found 1 inch worked just fine. Mounted to that inside a piece of plastic pipe, PVC, and it'll swivel back and forth like this if I need to. Okay, and I made the table round. This was my salute to the 20th year moon landing. I tried to make it look like the moon on a evening. Sometimes I'll look up at the moon in the evening and it gets a little bit cloudy going across there, and it sort of looks like that to me, which is, to me, is really pretty. So anyway, that was my salute to the moon landing. All right, I think that's just about everything in the camper. I didn't mention it's got vents up top up there. Some people put those like fantastic fans in it, so you get good vent, but I don't so much need that as long as I got the air conditioning. Now, it burns more electricity than the fans would. So I may go back and add some fans in there later myself, sooner or later. But right now it doesn't have it in there. Alright, I just thought I wanted to show this because I'm really tickled to be able to buy this thing. So I'm going to move on now, and y'all have a great day. If there's any questions, just add them to the bottom down there, and I'll try to answer back. Okay, thank you now. Bye-bye.